dati, and then puro salon.
Okay, so let's go right away for this one. We're gonna cover the people in the lives of our celebrants. Starting off with...
Saan? Saan? Na ito ang pinakang magandang picture. Mamaya. Sobrang lapit naman kasi.
Ang ganda mo kaya?
Oh.
Meron. Again.
Nay, oh, ang ganda. Labo naman ang kuha. Hindi, gawa lang ng ilaw. Maganda yung kuha, oh. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Pamo pa ng paglupan.
Verse 2, kung you may get the middle, is he's fucked up because we want you to be the VIPs of course and having the best angle for the next part. Pwede ko po bang maimbitahan lahat po na tumayo? Let's all stand on our feet please. Should you want to... No problem, sir.
Nagulat si Sayo.
Regan.
There you go! There, ladies and gentlemen, so I'll be giving you a hands up in a bit. So we want everybody to do our opening doxology that we will not forget to do, of course, acknowledging the Lord in the midst of our celebration. The under table, your relative, your friend, pwede mo, no? So again, we're just gonna have a group photo with our 10 guys. And then as requested by our celebrant, hindi ba naman sabi ng debutan, di ba? Parang debutan kasi si Mami Dory, di ba? So we're gonna ask and encourage everybody to get a part. We can have a quickie waltz dance as requested by our debutant. O, di ba? Debutant yun. In this one, family and friends, we'll be hearing a thank you message. And galing kay Mommy.
Dahil pa matigil na fine grade.
Biana.
Ako'y bilay, nada pa. Kung kailan iningatan, lalo na lang nag-diskasya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko ako lumagpapahan.
Ay, Diyos. Yan, hindi. Yan yun. Mamaya ako yun. Yan, tabi ka.
Apa daw? Si Biano. Biana.
Mas ma-enjoy mo niya etong sandali. Continue na po and make sure to post for a picture as we get ready to call in third
Ay,
to the next, Mr. Reynold Suarez.
Yun na dumaan.
There, ayun. All the way
Pwede naman
over.
dumaan na.
Nice one. Pogi si Sir. Thank you very much po.
May piso pa.
Ano ba? Tapos na. Bye-bye. Biana, Biana.
Okay lahat. Siya kasi ngayon si Miss